Installation and operation of vacuum arc melting furnace. Connect welding machine interface. Tighten the screws. Tighten with a wrench. Connect the welding machine power cord. Connecting the full switch. Tighten the nut. Connect the gas pipes in sequence. Tighten the nut. Tighten with a wrench. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the molecular pump group. The outlet of the molecular pump group is connected to the water inlet of the arc furnace. The water outlet of the electric arc furnace is connected to the water inlet of the water cooler. Turn on the main power switch of the device. Connect the vacuum pump unit to the power supply. Arc furnace power supply, welding machine power supply, water cooler power supply. Turn on the vacuum gauge power, molecular pump power supply. Turn on the water cooler power. Release the buckle. Open cavity. Twist to release the car slot. Place sample. Tighten the slot. Then tighten it with a tool. Close the cavity. Fastening buckle. Move the welding gun left and right to adjust the position of the tungsten needle. Rotatable and adjustable tungsten needle height. Turn on the vacuum pump. Observe the vacuum value changes. When the vacuum value reaches below 20%, rotate to close the bottom valve of the electric arc furnace. Open the gas valve and let the gas in to clean the chamber. Observe the pressure value changes. Determine the appropriate pressure according to the requirements, such as 0.05. Close the gas valve. Open the bottom valve. Click to start the molecular pump. The molecular pump frequency decreases first and then increases. After rising to 400, it runs stably. After the vacuum reaches the appropriate value, close the bottom valve. Open the gas valve and let in gas. When the vacuum value meets the requirement, close the gas valve. Turn on the sample stage rotation and adjust the appropriate speed. Turn on the welding machine. Adjust the current to the appropriate size. Activate the paddle switch to start welding. After welding is completed, adjust the current to the initial position. Turn off the welding machine. Turn off rotation. Release the buckle. Open the air valve to let in air. Wait until the vacuum reaches atmospheric pressure. Open cavity. Use a tool to loosen the car slot. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.